Intercom Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. Intercom Enterprise App is a customer messaging platform that provides live chat, automated bots, and customer engagement tools. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only for small chat support. The enterprise version is designed for large teams managing complex customer journeys. On the pro side, Intercom Enterprise offers real-time chat, AI-powered bots, and personalized messaging campaigns. Integrations with CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and product analytics help teams maintain a 360-degree view of customers. Enterprise features include advanced reporting, role-based permissions, and team collaboration tools. Its automation and targeted messaging improve efficiency and customer engagement. On the cons side, pricing can be high for smaller organizations, and the learning curve may be steep for new users. Some users mention that advanced segmentation and automation require setup time and expertise. In conclusion, Intercom Enterprise App is perfect for companies seeking a sophisticated messaging platform to engage customers at scale. Its combination of live chat, automation, analytics, and enterprise-grade controls makes it a powerful solution for improving support efficiency, driving engagement, and enhancing the overall customer experience.